People are making thousands every month using these 5 AI tools. And guess what? You can start today, even with zero skills. Welcome to NextGen Hustle, your go-to spot for smart tools and smarter income. Today, I'm revealing 5 AI tools that real people are using to make real money in 2025. Let's dive in. First up is Opus Clip. This genius tool turns long videos into viral short clips for TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube Shorts. People are offering this as a service on Fiverr and Upwork, and making $50 to $300 per gig. No surprise here, ChatGPT is still king. But now with custom GPTs, people are building mini AI apps and selling them, even without coding. Set up once, and it can bring you passive income through prompts or automation. Need to write blogs, ads, or product descriptions? WriteSonic helps freelancers deliver content 10x faster. It's a goldmine for content creators and virtual assistants. Tome turns boring ideas into stunning presentations instantly. People are selling pitch decks, resumes, and business slides for $100+. Easy side hustle for students and professionals alike. Looka lets you create logos, business cards, and brand kits in minutes. Many online entrepreneurs use it to start businesses fast, or even sell logos on marketplaces like Etsy. Which of these tools blew your mind? Comment below. And if you found this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more AI-powered income hacks. This is just the beginning. Your hustle starts now with NextGen Hustle.